Habari zenu? Tunafanya biashara gani? Finance. Yes, finance.
These are my colleagues.
Students.
Yes. And we are here in Kansas City Bank. We have been together with them.
Okay.
Yes, the beneficiary of City Bank.
Very good. What do you do?
The first company is a South African.
From which technology? I'm a farmer myself.
Yes. She give us a demo.
Okay, I'll work on it.
Yes.
Okay. Habari zenu? Salama kabisa. Yes. Okay. Habari zenu? Very good. Very good.
That's more.
Hi. How is UBA? Very well. Very good. Yes. Ready about it? Very good.
He's cooperating with engineering good.
Yes.
And we're helping him with payment solution.
Habari yako?
His facility.
Salama.
History is very
Naunda
good. Zile bwana.
Oh, zile.
That's very good. We are part of locally made.
Yes. Iko sawa.
Powered by UPS.
So you make this out from where? Where is your workshop?
Employed about 50 youth right now.
45.
Asante sana.
This you manufacture. Hello. How are you? Elimu Connect. Very good. Yeah. Hello.
Awareness on ESG-related matters and, importantly, enhance their appreciation of their individual roles in driving this important agenda. The bank has also established a robust volunteering program, which has seen over 300 employees give about 1,200 man-hours in 14 citizenship initiatives across the country.
The power of collective knowledge and collaboration cannot be underestimated. And this event embodies our commitment to shaping the narrative in a way that fosters prosperity for all.
For DTB, sustainability is about doing business ethically and transparently to underwrite the bank's future. The bank is therefore committed to ensuring that it becomes a regional sustainability thought leader and practitioner by enacting high-impact programs with demonstrable outcomes that respond to real societal needs.
Hello, how are you? Maizenu? And echo something. Hello. How are you? Good morning. Hello. How are you, sir? Very good. Yes. Good morning. How are you? Yes. Hi. Grace. Mariako. Very boss. Very good.
경무샵. Halo.